We only looked away like 10 minutes.
The time rate in there must be different. Decades have gone by. It's the Industrial Revolution already.
Oh, we missed the Renaissance.
Oh, bummer.
I wonder if we're their gods.
Look at these two douchebags staring at us all day.
I don't know. I'm tired of looking at that broccoli in her teeth.
Yeah, I doubt it.
What's that?
Oh, those are airplanes.
Huh.
Yeah, no, I think they've reached the present.
Oh my god. Look at that. They got a Starbucks. Those really are everywhere. What's going on there?
Calm down. Just calm down.
Tactical nukes are going off in our refrigerator, and you want me to calm down?